Easterlies still sustained at 24 out of Troutdale, gusting into the 30s. And you can see the east direction out in Hillsboro as well. You get away from those gorge winds. Astoria has a 13-mile-per-hour east wind, but generally speaking, winds are fairly light here on the west side, minus that. We do have some winds out in spots across the east. You can see Burns right now northeast at 16. All right, well, the big story today, other than that and the smoke from the fire, is the forecast high temperature of 70 degrees, which would tie the record set back in 1994. Some live cameras, beautiful day at the beach, and look at this temperature, 64 degrees in Cannon Beach. Wow. All right, here's the Rose City camera, and again, the smoke plume, which is kind of laying down evidence that this fire is not the raging blaze that it once was, when this was just a black, ominous, almost cylinder of smoke, if you will, across the city. But still there and still plainly traveling off into the western skies. We are at 64 degrees at high noon. Now, yesterday it was 68. Today, pretty good confidence we're at least going to get up to 70 at this point. And in fact, down in Tigard, it is already 70 degrees. We have 68 in Sherwood, 61 out in Gresham. A little bit cooler where those east winds are blowing and gusting out near the gorge itself. Then Kaiser and Salem are at 62 degrees. So for the remainder of today, I think the majority of us will be right around 70 for high, 66 degrees at dinner time tonight, still sunny and still clear. And then clouds start to increase this evening, partly cloudy and dry at 9 p.m. with the temperature a very pleasant 66 degrees still. Wow. All right. Here's a look at the forecast map for the remainder of today then. Nothing but nice looking temperatures. Upper 60s to 70 up and down I-5 and easily 60s expected at the coast. John Day about 61 degrees for high. Clouds come in tonight. Futurecast shows rain approaching us in the 2 o'clock hour overnight tonight. And then look what happens to your morning commute. Here's tomorrow morning at 7:30, right in the middle of a solid rain band. And then reinforcing shots of rain coming through 10 o'clock. So there could be a pretty good batch of steady rain tomorrow morning. Forecast models like giving Portland about a quarter of an inch of total moisture tomorrow. Once we get into the afternoon, here we are at 2:30. It's just scattered showers, and that continues to be the pattern for the remainder of the day tomorrow. So our forecast, 70 today. Wow, look how that 70-degree day stands out. As I back away, you can see it starting tomorrow and into the weekend. High temperatures mainly in the mid-50s. We have scattered showers in the forecast at this point all the way into the weekend, but none of these days looks to be terribly, terribly wet. The wettest part, probably tomorrow morning that I just showed you.